Hello everyone. So a big welcome to all of you. In this video, we will discuss about SBI Junior Associate Mains exam date, SBI Junior Associate Prelims result, and SBI PO, RBI Assistant, IBPS Assistant notification. We'll also discuss about the decision which is going to be announced by Ministry of Finance regarding regional language issue and also NRA CET possible implementation. So let's begin this video with SBI Junior Associate Mains exam date update. So SBI Junior Associate Mains exam date can happen in final week of August, and the expected date is around 25th August, and SBI Junior Associate prelims result will be out in second week of August. So it is expected that SBI Junior Associate prelims result will be out in second week of August. Now let's discuss about SBI PO notification. So SBI PO notification is ready and it can release anytime soon. So the notification is expected to release in the month of August or September, and SBI PO prelims exam can happen anytime in the month of October, and expected date is second and third week of October. There are some empty slots in October, so it can take those empty slots. So those who are preparing for SBI probationary officers, so it is a good starting point for them. They can focus on their preparation by keeping the dates in October in mind. Now let's discuss about IBPS assistant and RBI assistant notification. Now Ministry of Finance has put a hold on IBPS assistant notification, and because of that RBI assistant notification is getting delayed. They have given time of 15 days to take the final decision, and this week will mark the completion of those 15 days. So if in this week Ministry of Finance comes up with a final decision and they are able to take a call on the regional language issue, then IBPS will surely release the assistant notification. But if Ministry of Finance is not able to take final decision and regional language issue is not sorted, then the notification might get delayed further. So for now, you can keep IBPS assistant dates as September second week and RBI assistant expected prelims date as September final week. So it all depends on the decision of Ministry of Finance. If Ministry of Finance take decision early, that is in this week, then exam will surely happen in September month. But if the decision is not taken, then notification will be delayed further. So for now, consider IBPS assistant dates as September second week and RBI assistant expected dates as September final week. Before NRA CET takes place, organizations want to recruit in this year itself, so you can expect few surprise notifications also in the form of ESIC and LIC to fill the manpower gap. So this is it. This is the end of the video. Thanks.